The desire for wealth is your inherent nature of richness yearning to express itself. This is the 7-minute daily focus, day 38 of 365. The desire for wealth is your inherent nature of richness yearning to express itself. Today's focus: think on your desire, which is your voice of truth, despite physical appearances. The desire for riches is simply the capacity for a fuller life seeking expression. Wallace D. Wattles, The Science of Getting Rich. I concur with refinement. The desire for riches is the natural expression of your inherent nature. Richness is the core nature of your life, the mind, body, and financial essence of more than enough. You stand at the beginning of a journey, the mystery of growth, the physical expression of richness, which is wealth. The desire to be rich, truly rich, is not something to be apologetic about. It is the natural call of the life within you, urging you toward a fuller physical expression of the inner life of richness. Every seed longs to sprout, every child longs to grow, every mind longs to expand. So when you sense the pull to have more opportunity, more freedom, and more time, that sense is the life within you expressing itself. Life aims toward increase. The tree does not apologize for stretching upward. The river does not apologize for widening its course. So why should you apologize for wanting to expand your life? Money in its truest sense is not evil. It is a servant of expansion. It allows you to express, create, contribute, and enjoy the richness of living. When you have more, you can give more. You can build, uplift, teach, heal, and inspire. Richness is your metaphysical nature, and wealth is the physical reflection of it. Acquiring riches is not about taking from others. It is about recognizing value as more than enough. You are here to co-create with the infinite mind, not to compete for what already physically exists. When Wattles wrote that the desire for riches is the desire for life, he meant that to desire richness is to want the ability to live more abundantly, in mind and body, which is your inherent right. Now pause for a moment and turn your thought inward. Notice where that desire appears within you. Where do you sense the pull towards something more? Where does your inner sight stretch beyond your current life? Most people ignore this inner pull. They bury it, hide it, or feel guilty for wanting more. But you are not here to shrink. You are here to expand. So acknowledge your desire clearly with this affirmation. My desire for more is the desire for life expressing itself through me. Whatever that desire is, hold that picture or an affirming word with the utmost respect and speak it softly. Let it register in your awareness. Embrace the thought of permission. Permission to grow, permission to advance, permission to prosper. I reiterate, you are not here to shrink. The world opens to those who live in harmony with the desire for richness, not frantically, not anxiously, but steadily, with quiet conviction. Here is the first principle of your daily focus. Life increases through those who allow it to increase. When you align your thoughts with this principle, the desire for riches ceases to be selfish. It becomes a metaphysical partnership between you and infinite mind. Each day from now on, remind yourself, my desire for riches is the desire of life itself. I honor it, I direct it, and I let it serve the greater good of my existence. So as this day unfolds, walk with quiet assurance. You do not need to justify your desire to prosper. You need only align it with the principle of increase. Let your mind dwell not on lack, but on richness, which is your nature. Every active thought is a seed of richness sown in the soil of conscious awareness. Hold this truth, this metaphysical reality, in your heart today. I was not born to be poor. I was born to express richness, which is my inherent nature. Today, you begin to understand how to continue in active thought. You will experience the expressive character of abundance, which is richness without apology. As you carry that thought into every quiet moment, every conversation, and every opportunity, you begin the great experiment that Wattles called the science of getting rich. It is not about chance, it is about fundamental principles, and those who understand and apply them effectively always yield results. The desire for riches is the desire for an express inherent nature of richness. And when you honor that desire, you honor the infinite mind that placed it within you. Affirmation for day 38. I welcome that life. I allow it to express through me in wisdom, in peace, and in prosperity.